Hello, my name is Francis Unekwuojo Adama, and I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team as a remote YouTube content creator. I've been involved in content creation for about 6 years, and over that period, I've developed strong experience in researching topics, developing engaging scripts, creating visual content, video editing, storytelling, and producing content specifically designed to capture and retain an audience. One of my strongest areas today is AI-powered content creation. I've developed practical experience working with several AI tools across different stages of production. For scripting and research, I use ChatGPT alongside other AI research and writing tools to develop compelling hooks, structured narratives, conversational scripts, and SEO-focused YouTube content. For AI video generation, I work with tools such as Google View Tree, as well as other generative video platforms. For image generation and visual development, I'm familiar with tools, of course, such as Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, and ChatGPT image generation. I am also experienced with AI voicing and voiceover generation using ElevenLabs and other natural sounding voiceover narration tools with different voice styles where required. For animation and AI-assisted video production, I'm comfortable exploring and combining different tools depending on the requirements of the project, of course. And when it comes to editing, CapCut is one of my major tools, as well as Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, bringing the techniques, the pacing, transition, subtitling, sound design, background music, visual effect, motion graphics, you name it. And all these are professional tools I make use of. Like I already said, Adobe After Effects also for, where there is a need for effects. So I'm a YouTube content creator and also faceless YouTube content. And I understand the faceless channels require more than simply putting images and narration together. The storytelling has to be strong. The visual has to consistently support the narration. And most importantly, the first few seconds have to create enough curiosity for the viewers to keep watching. This I understand. That is an area I pay particular attention to. For completed 1 hour, video editing production time will depend on the research requirement, script complexity, number of visuals, voiceover requirements, and editing style. However, with a clear workflow and established production process, I'm comfortable working toward fast and consistent turnaround times without sacrificing quality. I also understand the importance of reliability in remote work. You see, I have access to necessary computer equipment and internet connectivity required for content production and communication. At the moment, I'm open to taking on the right opportunity, and if selected, I can discuss availability and begin according to your preferred schedule. So, why do I believe I'm the right person for this role? Because I'm not just an editor, I understand the entire YouTube content pipeline. From finding an idea, researching it, developing the story, writing the script, and creating or sourcing visuals, generating voiceovers, editing the video, optimizing the title and description, and ultimately packaging the content in a way that makes people want to click and keep watching. I'm also consistently learning. AI video production is evolving extremely quickly, and I make it a priority to learn and test new tools so that I can improve the quality, speed, and creativity of my work. The goal is simple: to create content that looks professional, tells a compelling story, keeps viewers engaged, and ultimately deliver results for the channels. I believe my 6 years of content creation experience, combined with my knowledge of AI-powered production and YouTube storytelling, would allow me to make a valuable contribution to your team. Thank you for considering my application. Once again, my name is Francis Unekwuojo Adama, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.